This video will show you how to replace the air filter on a GMC Sierra 2500 HD with a 6-liter engine. This will be located on the passenger side of your engine compartment. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Overall, this is going to be fairly easy. We need a T25 Torx bit so we can remove all 4 of our mounting bolts. There's one in each corner of the housing. Once you have all the mounting hardware out of place, carefully lift up on the upper housing, reach inside, and remove that air filter. There it is, friend. Prior to installation of any brand new part, clean and inspect the mounting area. And now we can install the brand new air filter. When we go to install this, make sure it's in the proper orientation. It would be seated just like this. We'll slide this into place in the lower housing. Once you have it pressed in, continue on with the upper housing. After that's aligned, you have all 4 mounting bolts. When installing your mounting bolts, you want to start all of them in before tightening any of them. One right over here. Last one on the far corner. They're all started in. Let's go ahead and snug them up. Double check to confirm that's properly secured in place. You don't want any dirty air making its way into the engine. After that, go ahead and start up the vehicle and make sure you have no check engine light. Take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.